Hi, good morning, dear students. Today we will continue with our 8th chapter, email. Okay. Yes, in the previous class we were discuss about how to create an email account. Okay. Yes, and now we will discuss about how to sign into a email account. Okay. Yes. So first we have a internet connection at our system. Okay. Yes, then after that we can double click on the web browser icon. Okay, here I choose the Google Chrome. Okay, then double click on the Google Chrome. Now we can get the window of our web browser. Okay, so in this address bar we can just type www.gmail.com. Okay, yes, then press the enter key on the keyboard. Okay, yes, now here there are some email accounts. Okay, and click on your email account. Okay, yes, then you can get a box for enter your password. Okay, yes, then you just enter your password, then click on next button. Okay, yes, sometimes you can get a window like at the page number 102. Okay, email and password. Okay, both of them are you mentioned, email and password. So first you type your email, then enter the password and click on the sign in button. Okay, in the most of the case you can display your email account. Okay, at that case you will do like I show just now. Okay, only enter your password. So after that you can get an email window. Okay, this is your email account. Okay, then the next topic is sending an email. Okay, sending an email. In this topic we will discuss how to send an email from one account to another. Okay, yes, so first we can go to the compose button. Okay, can you see? Yes, then click on here, then after that you can see like this. Okay, to subject, then at the bottom there is a send button and there are some options also. Okay, first one, to. Okay, this is mentioned that your receiver email address. Okay, your receiver email address. Then the second one is subject. Okay, subject means give one line introduction about the purpose of sending this email. Okay, the subject give one line introduction about the purpose of sending this email. Okay, the two describes or this place is used for typing the recipient's email address. Okay, yes, then the subject is used to give one line introduction about the purpose of sending this email. Okay, then here you can see CC and BCC. Okay, yes, CC means carbon copy. Okay, this field is used for the people you want to send a copy of this email. Okay, CC means sending a carbon copy. Okay, then the second one BCC. Okay, yes, BCC is similar to the CC field. Okay, except the person to whom send this message. Okay, yes, this is like CC. Okay, first one carbon copy. Okay, you can share your email with the one or more recipients. Okay, yes, so here I can type my recipient address. Okay, okay, then subject. Okay, then here you can send your message, you can type your message. Okay, in this area you can type your message. For example, okay, and whatever your content you can type here. Okay, then click on the send button. Okay, first you mention your recipient's email address, then one line introduction about the purpose of sending this email, that is subject, then you can type your message, then click on the send button. Okay, yes, then the message is sent. Okay, then you can see the send message, so you can go to the sent option. Okay, yes, then here you can see your sended message. Okay, yes, this is the email I sent. Okay, this is the method for sending a normal email from one account to another. Okay, yes, then the next topic is attaching files. Okay, yes, you can attach the files such as Word document, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, videos, and whatever you want, you can attach that file to your mail. Okay, yes, so we can go to that steps how to attach a document to our mail. Okay, yes, first we can go to the compose button and press on that, then yes, send your recipient name. Okay, then subject, okay, then here we can have option to attach the files. Okay, attach files. Okay, this one. Okay, attach files, then click on here. Yes, then we can get a window like this, and we can select our file, okay, which is attached to our email account. Okay, for example, okay, this is my file we want to attach to my mail. Okay, grade 1. Then click on here, then click on open button. Okay, yes, and here the file is attached. Okay, grade 1. Okay, PPT file. This is a PowerPoint presentation file. Okay, now the file is attached to my mail. Okay, then we can click on the send button. So we can check the mail is sent or not. Okay, yes, you can see grade 1 PPTX. This is the mail I send now. Okay, yes, this one. So today we discuss about the topic how to sign into a email account, then how to send an email, and how to attaching files. Okay, for signing to a email account, first we can go to our web browser. Okay, then we can double click on that web browser, then in the address bar we can type www.gmail.com, then press the enter key. Yes, then we can get a window of entering the email address and password. Then after entering the email address and password, you can just click on the sign in button. After clicking the sign in button, you can get an open window of our email account. Okay, yes, then the next one is how to send an email. Okay, for sending an email message from one account to another, first we can go to the compose option, then click on that. After that we can get a window of sending the mail. At this window, the first option is to. Okay, the to mention the recipient's email address. Okay, here we can type our recipient's email address. Then the next one, subject, this is one line introduction about the purpose of sending this email. Then CC and BCC, carbon copy and blind carbon copy. CC means, for example, you want to send your assignment to your class teacher and principal. Okay, sorry, your subject teacher and principal also. Okay, and class teacher. Okay, you want to send your assignment to 3 people. Okay, subject teacher, class teacher and principal. And here you can type your subject teacher's email address. Then we can click on the CC. Then you can see, you can type here your class teacher email address and your principal's email address. Okay, yes, the CC is used for sending the email, sending a carbon copy of our email to one or more people. Okay, BCC also, blind carbon copy. This is like the CC, but except the person to whom send this message. Okay, remains invisible. Okay, Then we can type our message on this area. Then we can click on the send button. Then our message is sent. Then the next option is attaching a file. Okay, yes, the file is like PPT, video, audio, Excel, Word, anything. Okay, so we can go to this icon and click on here. Then we can get our files. Okay, we can get our files which is reside in our computer. Okay, then we can choose the file we want to send. Okay, yes, we can choose our file we want to send. Then click on that file. Then click on open button. Okay, then after clicking on the open button, we can get our file to our mail. Okay, then click on the send button. After that, the mail is sent to our recipient. Okay, yes, these are the 3 topics we discussed today. You must do this on your smartphone. Okay, you can use your smartphone for doing this. Okay, in the previous class, I think you create an email account by using your mobile phone, and today we will try to sign in that account. Okay, then you will practice how to send an email from one account to another and how to attach a file on your email also. Okay, you can practice with your mobile phone. Okay, so you just send a email from one account to another, and you can take a screenshot of sending your message. Okay, after sending the mail from one account to another, you can go to the send button. Then you can see like this. Then click on your message and take a screenshot of this. Okay, then send to me. Okay, so today we will wind up our class. If you have any doubt, then please contact me. Thank you.